Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials and taking the first concrete actions. Install Xcode and command line tools so builds run reliably, then create a new Mac OS app target. Pick Swift UI for modern UI or AppKit for legacy control. Once created, open the project, confirm the Mac OS deployment target, and initialize a Git repository to track changes. Make an initial commit. This protects your early work and lets you experiment without fear. Next, wire up a simple window and run the app to confirm the toolchain. You now implement the app's core. Structure models and state so logic is testable and UI updates are predictable. Start wiring views to view models or controllers and explain why. Separation reduces bugs and simplifies testing. Once UI is responsive, add persistence. Core data for complex models, lightweight files, or SQLite for simple needs, make sure migrations are planned. Then configure entitlements and sandboxing so your app can access needed resources. And implement permission prompts early to avoid runtime surprises when you test features that use hardware. You finish by preparing the release pipeline and verifying delivery. Configure code signing and provisioning profiles, increment build and version numbers, and create required App Store Connect metadata and screenshots. Build an archive, export with correct signing, then notarize the app. This prevents gatekeeper rejections. Once done, test the release build on a clean Mac OS user account or VM to catch missing resources. If something fails, check notarization logs and enable verbose logging. One common fix is mismatched entitlements or a missing embedded framework.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.